we have a 1973 Microbus, orange color, white top. This is a camper, Westfalia. We'll walk around, give you a little tour of our bus. As you can see, it has a lot of the original parts on the outside. And this is the inside of the Microbus. See the mileage. All the gauges work except for the gas. Let's say it probably needs a new tank fill, leveler deal, whatever you call it. Nice interior. Little minor issues up here on the dash. Now we'll give her a crank. You see she cranks right up. The flooring. Seats. Little storage area. Cups. Have some speakers up front. There's a 5-speed, or a 4-speed, I'm sorry. Like I said, everything up here is pretty much original, so take a look at the engine next. We have it opened up, side door, sliding door. We'll go inside. Like I said, this is a camper van. Has a sink. Also has a ice box. Little storage here, right under the sink. Has a little seat. Of course, that's not for passengers. It does not have a seat belt. Has a table, folds out. Back seat. That folds down into a sleeper bed. It's a small little closet. Little storage up in the back. We have some neat little 60 frame curtains. All the windows are nice. Screen window on one side. Let some air flow through. I'll show you the back next. This is the back. Again, some storage. Actually store a good bit in this bay. This is the part of the sleeper bed. We have a full-size tire in the back as a spare. Here she is with the top up, camper top. As you can tell, canvas is nice all the way around. Go inside. Nice windows that you can unzip. Here we have a sleeping cot. Of course, all original to the bus. So this is it. This is our 1973 bus. We call them Gus. So if you're interested in Gus the Microbus, just let us know. Thank you very much for watching.